Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video I'll show you the most practical and reliable way to project your PC screen onto your mobile phone using a free tool called SpaceDesk. First, ensure that your mobile phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because SpaceDesk uses the local network to transmit the screen. Now, on your computer, open any web browser. In the search bar, type SpaceDesk and press Enter. Open the official SpaceDesk website. In the top right corner, click on the green button with Windows 11 and 10 written on it. As you can see, the SpaceDesk is available for Windows 10 and 11 64-bit and ARM64, and also for Windows 10 32-bit OS. Click on the download button to download the SpaceDesk driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11, depending on your system. The file size is small. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the installation to finish. During installation, Windows may ask for permission to allow network access. Make sure you allow it. Now pick up your mobile phone. I have brought my phone screen to the desktop. If you want to learn how to do that, watch this video. Okay, now open the Play Store if you are using Android, or the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for SpaceDesk and install the SpaceDesk USB display app. Once the app is installed, open it. The pop-up tells you to install SpaceDesk driver on your PC. We have already installed it. Click on OK. The app will automatically scan your Wi-Fi network and look for available computers. After a few seconds, you should see your PC name appear on the screen. Tap on your computer name. Within a moment, your PC screen will appear on your mobile phone display. Your phone is now acting as a monitor for your computer. Now let us explore some settings of this app. First, disconnect the app by click on three dots menu and click Disconnect. We are back to our mobile screen. When you open the SpaceDesk Viewer app on your mobile phone, this screen is what you see first. At the top, you see the message Connect to Primary Machine, also called the server. The server is simply your PC or laptop. Your phone is only viewing and controlling the screen that comes from that computer. On the right side of this bar, there is an information icon. If you tap on it, SpaceDesk shows basic instructions about how the connection works and what is required for the app to function properly. This is useful for first-time users who want a quick explanation. Next to it, you will see a plus icon. This button is used when you want to add a connection manually. If your computer does not appear automatically in the list, or if you are using a mobile hotspot or USB tethering, this is the option you use. Here, you can enter your computer's IP address and connect directly without relying on automatic discovery. Below that, you see the name of your computer. In this case, the name is shown along with Windows 11, which tells you the operating system running on that machine. If your computer appears here, it means the SpaceDesk driver is installed, running correctly, and reachable on the same local network. Under the computer name, you see a connection address. This is the local IP address of your PC. This address is important because it can be used for manual connection if automatic detection does not work. This is not an internet address. It works only inside your local network. At the bottom right corner of the screen, there is a menu icon with three lines. Tapping this opens the main control menu of the SpaceDesk Viewer app. The first option in this menu is Settings. This is where you control how the screen looks and performs on your phone. From here, you can adjust the resolution, image quality, screen scaling, and orientation. If you are using a hotspot or experiencing lag, lowering the resolution and prioritizing performance will give you a smoother experience. The next option is Input Devices. This controls how your phone interacts with the computer. Here, you can manage touch input, mouse behavior, gestures, and external keyboard support. This is especially important if you are using your phone as the only way to control your PC. The User Manual option opens the official SpaceDesk documentation. It explains how the app works, how connections are established, and how to solve common problems. This is mainly for reference and not required for normal use. The Technical Support option is used if you are facing persistent issues. From here, you can access support resources or contact the SpaceDesk team for help. The Licensing section provides information about usage rights. For personal and basic use, you usually do not need to change anything here. The About option shows application details such as version number and developer information. This is useful when checking compatibility or reporting an issue. At the bottom center of the screen, you may notice a small connection control indicator. This shows the current network status. If your phone is connected to the PC using USB tethering, SpaceDesk will automatically use that connection instead of Wi-Fi because it is more stable. Overall, this screen confirms that your computer is detected, reachable, and ready to share its display. Once you tap on your computer name, your PC screen will appear on your phone, and your mobile device will begin working as a temporary monitor. As a temporary solution, using SpaceDesk is one of the easiest and most effective ways to use your mobile phone as a monitor when your main display is not working. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more practical tech solutions.